Kind of a rainy day today. October 28th. Rainy day. 9 a.m.
It's raining. It's raining outside.
Yeah?
What are you gonna do today?
I don't know. Yeah.
That's a cool looking tree.
It is, isn't it? That's my tree.
Is it a magic tree?
Yes, it is a magic tree. Of course it's a magic tree. Look at it.
You wanna go out and touch it?
No.
It's really a cool tree. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a cool tree, ain't it? Look at that tree. Trees are our friends.
They're our friends. Trees are our friends.
This tree is your tree. This tree is my tree. This tree is our tree. This tree is a tree.
This tree was made for you and me.
This tree is our tree. This tree is your tree. This tree is our tree.
This tree was made for you and me. You gotta hug trees, hug them.
If you hug trees enough, if you hug trees enough, sometimes they'll come alive. It's true. Yep.
It's a nice looking tree.
It's a nice looking tree, isn't it?
Sometimes we gotta go out and talk to it.
We do. That's when it's always a sunnier day, though. This tree is our tree.
This tree is your tree.
It's a fabulous tree.
Tree.
This tree is your tree.
This tree is my tree.
This tree is your tree.
This tree is my tree.
So let's all go out and pitch a teepee.